Hello, my little fellow cooks. I'm Telmo.
And I'm Tula.
We are the Little Cooks. Today, we're going to make chocolate.
No, Telmo. Today we're going to make cookies.
And why don't we make chocolate, Tula?
Well, because I feel like making cookies.
I know. Today, we'll make cookies with delicious chocolate chips.
That's perfect. Let's start with the ingredients.
Okay, I'm so very hungry. To make chocolate chip cookies, we will need
Sugar,
butter,
eggs,
salt,
flour,
chocolate chips,
brown sugar,
baking soda.
and vanilla.
Let's get started.
Okay, before we begin anything,
Why don't we make a huge cookie with chocolate chips instead of making a bunch of little ones?
I don't think so. We'll make a giant cookie some other day. Today, we'll make lots of them, but little ones.
All right, the thing is, I'm super hungry.
To start with, and while we prepare the dough, we need to turn on the oven so that it can start heating up.
But to do that, we'll ask our grown-up to do that for us. Because, we're still not allowed to do that.
Grown up! Can you turn on the oven for us, please? To 325 degrees.
We'll grab a bowl and put in 1 large cup of sugar.
And I'll add another 1 cup of brown sugar.
Now, I'll add 1 large cup of butter.
And I'll add 2 eggs.
We need to mix everything up with a wooden spoon.
And while Telmo is mixing up the ingredients, I'll add a pinch of salt. And now we add 2 large cups of flour.
And now the chocolate!
No, Telmo, we still need to add the baking soda.
Oh.
Half a tablespoon of baking soda. That's it.
Oh, and the vanilla?
Oh, yeah. 1 teaspoon is enough to give it some good flavor.
It smells yummy.
Yeah. Telmo, we won't have any chocolate left for the cookies.
All right, but there's still a lot.
Stop.
But I love chocolate.
My dear little cooks, you can make whatever variations you like with the cookies. For example, you can add nuts or hazelnuts or add more chocolate chips. Right, Telmo? Telmo?
Yeah?
What were you doing?
Well, we need to keep mixing this.
Cookies, yummy cookies with tasty chips.
Of chocolate.
With tasty chips.
Of chocolate.
With tasty chips.
Of chocolate. And the chocolate, when do we add it?
Now!
Great!
We add the entire bag of chocolate chips.
Cool!
They're going to be delicious. And the best thing is that they're super easy to make.
And now to the oven. And later, we're all going to eat delicious chocolate chip cookies.
Just a second, Telmo. First, we need to put them on the cookie sheet. Start dropping tablespoons of dough with some space in between so that they don't stick together. Perfect!
To the oven!
But for that, we'll ask our grown-up to help us, since we're not allowed to do that yet. Grown-up! Can you put our chocolate chip cookies in the oven, please?
And we'll leave them there for about 10 minutes.
Caw, they're done! Caw, they're done! Raw!
They smell so good.
Thank you. Okay, my dear cooks. Now our yummy chocolate chip cookies are ready. But we have to wait for them to cool down a little bit. We can't touch them because they're very hot and will get burned.
Ow, 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 ow.
Telmo, I told you they were very hot.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go ask the grown-ups to make it better.
If we get burned, we always need to notify our grown-ups since they know exactly what to do. In the meantime, let's go over the ingredients. Ingredients for chocolate chip cookies. 7 ounces of white sugar, 7.5 ounces of brown sugar, 7.5 ounces of butter, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, 12.5 ounces of flour, a half tablespoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 bag of chocolate chips.
Can I have another with whipped cream, please?
Telmo, you eat way too fast. You're gonna get sick.
I would do it, but
Ay.
oh.
My dear little cooks, you can do what we're doing and add whatever you most like to your cookies. Whipped cream, dulce de leche...
Chocolate?
Everything that you like.
Can you, give me another chocolate chip cookie with some whipped cream on it, please?
Ugh.